Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's a cousin and I'm back with another video. I don't know where to hide. I don't know where to stand because the house is a mess. So I just thought, let me do a video. I'm going to work. I will be there by 12. I should be there by 12. So now the time is, let me just confirm quickly. Okay, the time is 10:15, right? I should be at work by 12. I should leave the house by 11 o'clock. Ne? The house is still a mess. Ne? Like, I'm gonna show you now. Don't judge me, but it's 10:15. I just took a bath. I'm ready. Like, I'm gonna get dressed. But I want to challenge myself in this 45 minutes that's already taking. I want to clean the house and cook. I want to cook pap and chicken because I'm gonna knock off very late today. So like at around 8ish. Yeah. So I won't have time to cook when I come back. So I want to cook. Make sure that I cook for them to come back and eat because I'm late. So let's do that in less than 45 minutes. Cook and clean and get dressed and be ready for work, right? I've bathed like at least it's a -1. So I'm gonna challenge myself. I'm gonna do this. I know I can. I know I'm the quickest cooker. Right. I'm the quickest cooker. I know myself. I go tell myself, right? Let's get to it. Enjoy. Let's start here. So here, these are the dishes from last night because we're doing the challenge and the noodles challenge. And then these dishes are washed. I washed them before I did the challenge, but you know, I haven't sorted them out because I was tired. This is like, this side is just a mess. Oh no, I haven't arranged my flowers. Butter. This side is worse. Okay. This side is very worse. So I need to make the bed. Here, as the house gets so messy in the morning, I'm telling you. So this is like I already took my child to school. So I was like, yeah, this is the mess from preparing my toddler. And then this is like a whole situation. Yeah. Water for the pup. Plus, load shedding is so unpredictable these days. So, yeah, this is a good idea. Okay, I'm about to assist Stefani. Let me start cleaning. Santo, where the evidence? Thank you.